Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings of peace, mercy, and blessings, science-minded learners. Welcome to another fun and exciting learning with me, Teacher Pam, your science chum. Have your pen, paper, and module ready for today. We will learn about solutions and their characteristics here in our Science 6 class. In our previous episode, you have learned the factors affecting solubility, right? As a review, what are the factors affecting solubility? Right! The factors affecting solubility are nature of solute and solvent, temperature of solvent, manner of stirring, amount of solvent, and size of the solute. Excellent! What factor of solubility tells how hot or cold is the solvent mixed in a mixture? Great! Temperature of solvent. What should we do to dissolve the solute faster in a solvent? Very good! We can add hot water or stir it thoroughly. Now, let's go to our what's in.
Identify the solvent and the main solute in the following mixtures. Answer it using your paper. Number 1. Cold iced tea. The correct answer is cold water plus tea powder or tea sachet. Number 2. Hot coffee. The correct answer is hot water plus coffee powder. Number 3. Salt water. The correct answer is water plus salt. Number 4. Carbonated beverages. The correct answer is water plus carbon dioxide. And number 5. Lemonade. The correct answer is water plus lemon juice.
Wow! You really did a good job. I have here my favorite drink, pineapple juice. It's tasty.
Number 1. What kind of mixture is in this glass? Right, it's a homogeneous mixture. Number 2. How many phases are there in this mixture? Very good! It has one phase. This glass of juice is an example of a solution. But what is a solution?
A solution is a homogeneous mixture of one or more solutes dissolved in a solvent. Most of the household materials that can be found at home, like soda, vinegar, and wine, are examples of solution.
At the end of the episode, you will be able to describe the appearance and uses of solutions.
Now, let's go to our What's New? Encircle the substances that can be added in water to form a solution and then answer the questions. Do it on your paper.
Can we form a solution using water and medicine tablet? Right, we can. How about a pineapple powder? Can we dissolve it in water to form a solution? Yes, we can. The pebbles. Can water dissolve the pebbles to form a solution? It cannot. Can soy sauce be dissolved in water to form a solution? Yes, it can. How about metal scraps? Can we dissolve it in water to form a solution? No, we cannot. Lastly, can water dissolve sugar to form a solution? Yes, it can.
Amazing science-minded learners! An example of a solute dissolved in a solvent is sugar solution. Another example of solutes dissolved in a solvent are carbonated drinks, since the substances found in it are sweeteners, artificial flavoring, and carbon dioxide. Did you know that a solution may exist in solid, liquid, or gas depending on the state of its solvent? Well, a solution of two solid materials is possible. When this happens, an alloy is formed. Steel is a solid solution. Its solvent is iron and the solute is carbon. Steel production involved application of huge amount of heat, hence, combining iron and carbon does not happen at the solid phases. Vinegar is a solution that is formed from acetic acid and water. Air is an example of gaseous solution, and its solvent is nitrogen gas because nitrogen is the most abundant gas in atmosphere. These are the examples of solutions we encounter every day. There are many kinds of solutions. It exists in any phase. Note that the solute is a substance that is dissolved in a solvent. For example, in a saline solution, salt is the solute, whereas water is the solvent. Any two substances which can be evenly mixed and has one phase may form a solution.
Even if it is made of different phases, if the result comes out to be in single phase, it is a solution. The solution particles cannot be seen by our naked eye. It does not allow beams of light to scatter. In addition, the solute from a solution cannot be separated by filtration. This picture shows the components of solution.
So, in order to form a solution, which is a homogeneous mixture, we need a solute that will be completely dissolved in a solvent. Also, in solution, we have the concept of miscibility.
For example, water and 70% of alcohol are miscible because they mix in all proportions.
A miscible solution is formed when two soluble liquids dissolve each other. An immiscible solution is formed when two liquids are insoluble to each other, which means there is no dissolvement involved.
For example, oil and water.
Also, the concentration of solution is measured on how much solute is dissolved in a solvent.
A concentrated solution contains a large amount of dissolved solute. A darker juice means it has more amount of solute, while dilute solution contains a small amount of dissolved solute. This is a picture of a dilute solution.
Now, let's have our activity time.
These are the materials needed for our activity: containers, water, food coloring, salt, teaspoon, milk, cereal. Science-minded learners, please watch closely and observe what I am doing. First, we will label the containers as P, N, and F. After that, we will have filled the containers with water. Then pour 2 drops of liquid food coloring on container P and stir it for 10 seconds. We will put 1 teaspoon of salt on container N and stir it 1 minute. Lastly, let's put the powdered milk and cereal on container F and stir it for 1 minute. And here, we have the containers with mixtures. Now, Can you point the container with solution? Great! Then point it. Very good! Containers P and N are filled with solution. Why are these two containers an example of solution? Right! The solute is evenly mixed in the solvent, which shows one phase. Why does container F is not a solution? Excellent! What's inside container F is not a solution because the solute is still visible. What solute is dissolved in container P? Very good! It is liquid food coloring. So, the solution is made up of a liquid dissolved in a liquid. Now, what is the solute in container N? Great! It is the salt. So, this solution is made up of solid dissolved in liquid. Carbonated water is solution made up of gas dissolved in liquid.
Now, have you learned something in our activity? Great! Now, let's move on to our What's More? Oh, we have Sisi here again. How are you, Sisi?
Oh, I'm good, Teacher Pam. How are you too?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. I am actually having fun teaching new things to our science-minded learners. So, Sisi, what help you need right now?
I have here an assignment about the characteristics and uses of solutions. Can you help me again?
Can we help Sisi again? Great!
Look at the words in the box. Choose and combine two or more words to form a solution. Write at least 5 combinations of substances to form a solution on your activity notebook. These are the possible combinations of substances to form a solution. Number 1. Water and sugar. Number 2. Water and salt. Number 3. Copper and zinc. Number 4. Silver and mercury. Number 5. Acetic acid and water. Match the solutions in column A to its uses in column B. Number 1. What is the use of dishwashing liquid? The correct answer is E. It is used for washing tablewares. Number 2. What is the use of bleach? The correct answer is B. It is used for cleaning the house. Number 3. What is the use of medicine syrup? The correct answer is D. It is used for curing illnesses. Number 5. What is the use of brass? The correct answer is A. Used in making a furniture. And number 5. What is the use of soft drinks? The correct answer is C. It is used for consumption to quench thirst.
Wow! My friend Sisi is so happy. With your help, she's done with her assignment.
Yay! Thank you so much, science-minded learners.
Hopefully, you will not get tired in helping someone like Sisi. Now, let's go to our What I Have Learned.
True or false? Draw a smiley emoji on the line before the number if the statement is true, and sad face emoji if the statement is false. Number 1. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. The correct answer is smiley emoji. That is why it has a uniform face all throughout. Number 2. Only solid can be dissolved in solvent. The correct answer is sad face emoji, because we can dissolve some gas and liquid to solvent. Number 3. The solution particles can be seen by our naked eye. The correct answer is sad face emoji, because we cannot see solution particles through our naked eye. Number 4. Solution does not allow beams of light to scatter. The correct answer is smiley emoji. And number 5. The solute from a solution cannot be separated by filtration. The correct answer is smiley emoji.
Now, let's go to our What I Can Do.
Number 1. Based on the illustration, describe what a solution is. A mixture of blue lemonade powder and water. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of one or more solutes dissolved in a solvent. The solute is mixed all throughout the solvent, that is why we cannot see the solution particles with our naked eye. Number 2. How does a solution appear? The solution will appear light blue.
Amazing! It seems like you have learned a lot from our episode today. I hope that you applied what you have learned in our class today, because that's what a scientist do. Science-minded learners, are you ready for our assessment? Choose the letter of the correct answer. Do this on your paper.
Number 1. What type of mixture is a solution? A. Heterogeneous. B. Homogeneous. C. Immiscible. D. Miscible. The correct answer is B. Homogeneous. Number 2. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a solution? A. It is a uniform mixture. B. It will scatter a beam of light. C. It is stable over time. Or D. The solute and solvent cannot be distinguished by the naked eye. The correct answer is B. It will scatter the beam of light. Number 3. What is the substance that is being dissolved in a solution? A. Solute. B. Mixture. C. Solvent. Or D. Concentrator. The correct answer is A. Solute. Number 4. What do we call the substance that dissolves the other substances in a solution? A. Solute. B. Mixture. C. Solvent. Or D. Concentrator. The correct answer is C. Solvent. Number 5. In a salt water solution, what substance is considered the solvent? A. Salt. B. Water. C. Both are solvents. Or D. Neither substance is a solvent. The correct answer is B. Water.
I hope that you have learned something today. To catch up with the next lesson on colloids and their characteristics, let's stay tuned only here on DepEd TV. Remember, our Almighty God is always with us, and the virus will not stop us from learning. Once again, I am Teacher Pam, leaving a message. It's better to learn slowly than to not learn at all. Wassalam!